The Coach Crosby Backpack 28 is a stylish and functional backpack designed for everyday use. It's made of natural grain leather with a beautiful texture and soft feel, giving it a luxurious look and feel. Review: the Coach Crosby Backpack 28 has received positive reviews from customers who appreciate its stylish design, durability, and functionality. Many women have praised its comfortable fit and adjustable straps, as well as its spacious interior that can easily accommodate daily essentials. The exterior pockets are also a convenient feature for storing small items like keys or a phone. Color: the Coach Crosby Backpack 28 is available in a variety of colors, including black, brown, forest, and merlet. Price: the price of the Coach Crosby Backpack 28 varies depending on the color and retailer. However, you can expect to pay around $300 for this backpack. Overall, the Coach Crosby Backpack 28 is a high-quality and stylish backpack that is perfect for everyday use. Its durable construction, comfortable fit, and spacious interior make it a versatile and practical choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional backpack.